And you don't really have to press hard either, but it does remove things.
On this video, we're going to take a look at this electric
ultrasonic
tooth cleaner and tell you the differences between the different diamond heads and non-diamond heads.
And as you do that, it's going to vibrate and remove all the tartar and calcium deposits that you have built up on your teeth. So this one is for removing hard, tough tartar. You want to be careful if you have veneers or crowns, because this will scratch and damage them.
Stay tuned for the whole video.
So here's the device. There is a DC charging port that plugs into a USB, so this can be powered by a power bank. There's a 250 milliamp battery built in. The heads work just like a toothbrush. You put on and then you twist it, and then that sort of locks it in place. There's a power button. You've got soft, normal, and strong modes, switches between the three. There's also a light that basically turns on right away. It's ultrasonic, so you can't see it, but it does vibrate. So if I demonstrate it on my nail, you can see it's gently removing it. So let's swap this out for coarse one, and let's try this one now. You could be on its side, and it's gonna you see how it scuffs up and scratches pretty much anything it touches. Yeah, and you don't really have to press hard either, but it does remove things. Right, you see that? So now imagine this going around your teeth. Alright, so let's go with the accessories. We've got a pair of tweezers. Now, you probably won't be using these for much because, well, you don't have any cotton balls in your mouth, so it's not like you're going to be taking them in and out. You've got a mirror. Next, let's look at our three heads. These two have a diamond tip. This one's got almost a circle at the very tip. This one's used to remove stains and things of that nature. Next one is a sharp tip. It's like a cone, and the entire head is made of diamond, so the whole thing is coarse. You would want to use this to remove really tough tartar buildup. So you can see the diamonds around the tip of the head. So this one is for removing hard, tough tartar. You want to be careful if you have veneers or crowns, because this will scratch and damage them. So if you were to try this on your nail, it's going to scrape basically the entire nail, not just the tip. Whereas this one, it's soft on the edges, so it's only going to go and remove the items on here. The final head, which is probably the most used one, is the scraper. And this is the one that you're probably going to be using most often to go in and around the teeth, because it's not going to damage anything on its sides as you move around, sort of like in this motion here. And then as you do that, it's going to vibrate and remove all the tartar and calcium deposits that you have built up on your teeth.
In conclusion, if you take your dental hygiene seriously, this is definitely something you want to put in your bathroom along with your sonic toothbrush. Don't get an electric toothbrush. Pay a little more money and get an ultrasonic. You will not be disappointed. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys in the next